This video we're going to talk about how to install Kodi. It's previously known as XBMC, and this is a free media player that you could download and install on various devices. So you would just go to kodi.tv, so that would be the home page, and to download you just go in the Downloads tab, and that gives you the ability to download the Kodi media player on whatever platform that you're looking for. So if you've got a Windows device, there's a Windows download area here, Linux, there's also OS X, Raspberry, iOS devices, Apple TV, and Ubuntu systems. And then also for Android, so if you've got one of the various Android devices and you want it to if you're looking for your APK file, this is where you're able to download it. So there's an ARM version and an x86 version, so depending on what type of operating system is on your Android device, that's the file that you would download for your system. So I'm just going to quickly go through the Windows download, and it's going to go ahead and download. So this is the latest version, the Kodi 14.0. Save file and download the file. So once you do the install of the files, you can run Kodi, and this is just what's going to show up just for the first time when you run the media player. So you can just hit OK on that. And as you can see here, if you go to video add-ons and you go to get more, you do get a default list of a whole bunch of different repos and add-ons that are available just through the install of Kodi. So there's a really good selection there. But if you want to quickly set your system to the most popular repos, you could go to System, go to File Manager. Under File Manager, go Add Source. And under Sources, you want to add in Fusion. That's fusion.tvaddons.ag. So you can just type in the path there. It previously was fusion.xbmc hub. So they've changed that now in November or October of 2014 to use the TV add-ons domain. So it's now fusion.tvaddons.ag. And once you've typed in that URL, you can also go in a web browser to this URL and you'll be able to see all the repos and the folder options within there. So once you've typed that in, hit done. And you could just need to enter in a name for this media source. So sometimes it's just a good idea to name it what the source is. So this is Fusion, so I'm just going to type in Fusion. But you could pretty much name it whatever you want. So the source can be pretty much anything you want. The most important part here is the media location, which is fusion.tvaddons.ag. And then just hit OK. And what this will do is this will add in the source within add-ons, and it's going back out, install from zip, and as you can see there's Fusion. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that, and within the folders, so I've got start here and I've got XBMC repos. So if you're looking for any in particular repos, you can do it this way, do the install, but for this lesson we're going to do a quick install using Hub Wizard. So I'm going to go ahead and install Hub Wizard. So now I can see that Hub Wizard has been enabled. So we just go under Programs and you just go Config Wizard. Select the device that you're using, so either a Mac, Windows, Android, Fire TV, Ouija, iDevices, ATV. So there's a whole bunch of different options here. So this is a Windows system, so I'm going to just customize the add-on selection from addons.ag. So I'm going to allow them to download and customize my XBMC or Kodi install. And this will just take a few minutes for it to configure, to download the config wizard. So it's almost done here, and once it's completed, it's going to configure and set up the XBMC interface as pre-configured with a whole bunch of pre-installed most popular add-ons and repos that are available for XBMC. So also with the config wizard, it does overwrite your current settings. And as we can see here now that the tvaddons.ag has pre-configured my Kodi device. So if I go into video add-ons, I can see a whole bunch of enabled add-ons. And these are the featured most popular ones that are available. So I can quickly select them and I can see that they are connecting, and I'm able to pick up and see all the different content that's available online. So this is installed, it's pre-configured for music as well, with the most popular music add-ons. I'd pick them from there. As well as if you want more, then you can get more at any point, additional ones. And also it pre-configures the program add-ons. So it's got the config wizard that we just installed this with. There's fresh start if you want to clear it and restart your XBMC with no settings set. There's a maintenance tool that it comes with, so this is a pretty handy tool that gives you a bunch of options. NaviX, add-on installer, so if you want to get some more add-ons quickly, this is a great tool to use to install more add-ons very quickly. It also pre-configures the submenus when you hover over. These are the submenus, so these are already pre-configured within the system setup. If you want to change the background, you could go to system settings and you could change your background, but this is pretty much all you need to get going in about 5-10 minutes. Go to the website, download the program, it's free, and then do an install of it as you do any other program. And then once that's completed, you can quickly customize it with the TV add-ons custom wizard. Thanks a lot for watching. We've got a lot of great videos coming up, so please subscribe.